In today's video we will make a design related to sports in which a design for appreciation will be made. Stay connected with our channel and learn to use numerous tools in a very easy way. First, repeat the text with the help of the blend tool in this way. After blending, select all the text and curve it to make the design effect easier. After moving the text above the red and orange background, go to the Effect option, select the Distort option and click Mesh Wrap. With Mesh Wrap you can beautify text by giving it a nice shape, making your design stand out. Adjust the brightness and contrast of the main character image by going to the Effect option to focus on the main character image. Then merge the character photo with the background using the transparency tool to improve the design. Make the text transparent with the same method. Use the shadow tool to highlight the image on the design. Place Formula 1 on top of all the design layers and try to complete the design. Choose the best text, pay special attention to the color scheme, and make sure that no element is left out of your design. This will improve the design.